Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the 3 ways to access Google Browser on Nintendo Switch. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, load up your Switch and navigate to System Settings. Then from System Settings, go to Internet and select Internet Settings. Here you'll be able to find your Wi-Fi connection, so select your Wi-Fi and then choose Change Settings. Now on the next page, scroll down until you've got the DNS settings, and then change the DNS mode from automatic to manual. When you do so, you'll get 2 options for DNS, primary DNS and secondary DNS. So just head over to primary DNS, change its value to this one, and click OK. After setting the primary DNS, save the settings. Now go one step back, connect to your network, and it'll then say registration is required to use this network. Simply click Next, then select Continue to Google, and this way you'll be able to access Google in your Switch. For the next method, make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected. Once it is, get to your profile settings and then get to your Friends Suggestions tab. Inside it, you will be able to see some icons. Simply, you can just tap any one of them, like Facebook, and your web browser will open up. Once done, access Google account and then tap on the Google embed to access the browser. Now, the last method is for the people with Jailbreak Console. Simply install the Android OS on your Switch, open the Play Store, and then install the Google Chrome browser after searching for it. So, that's basically all the 3 ways to access Google Browser on Nintendo Switch. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.